जा आज रात से, अब सोना नहीं है रात में, एक्स्ट्रा कर मेहनत तो सफल हो जाएगा, आएगा क्रिएटिंग स्टार्स।
Dear engaging parents, my name is Sridhar and I'm the founder of Lynchpin Life Academy and Speed Club, which is India's first emotional gym. Today I wanted to tell you about the work that Creating Stars is doing. Creating Stars Consultancy, run by Dr. Abbas and his team, is one of the very premier consultancy firm in India, and they're doing a wonderful work for developing the skills within the children and a lot of giving them the opportunity. I personally know Dr. Abbas, and he's been in this education industry for years and is doing some wonderful work. And right now, Creating Stars is giving a platform for young children to demonstrate their skills. And this is an online opportunity that they have created. There is a kind of a competition to demonstrate the skills living within the comfort of your home. So the description and the details of this particular contest is being given in the link below. But I'll tell you why this is so important and very good opportunity for your children. One is that obviously the children are being locked down in their houses for quite some time, and unfortunately they are being the last priority in most of these scenarios. Okay, even while the lockdown has when it opens up, it's going to be a while before the educational institutions can actually return to normalcy, and there's a huge gap, and this is a lot of strain within the children. Now there are a lot of online courses happening, and I'm sure most of your engaging parents are trying to give them what they would want to, but giving them the time, okay, is something that is very, very invaluable, because there is a lot of stress on their mental well-being that is put on. I'm sure they're very resilient, all the children are bouncing up, but caging them into the house for so extended period of time does take a toll. And here is the golden opportunity I have never seen. Creating Stars is come up with this unique novel idea of displaying their talent online. Okay, and this is very easy. Not just the child will be getting an opportunity for them to demonstrate their skill, win, but also it's an opportunity for the parents to demonstrate that they're very keenly interested in the well-being of children. Okay, these subtle behavioral traits go a long way than even giving verbal love and affection to them. So I would encourage all the parents to try, even irrespective of winning, participation can go a long way in connecting with your children. And not often do we get also an opportunity to spend with the children and doing activities that they really love. So here is the platform where Creating Stars has created for all of us. I think make the most of it. Try, apply the description. The link is given in the description below. Okay. All the very best. I'm sure this is a great opportunity to develop a bond between the parents and children. All the very best to you, and all the very best to Creating Stars as well. Cheers.
तू सफल होने आया है तो सफल होकर जाएगा, ये क्रिएटिंग स्टार्स आएगा। ओके, MC बिंगो भी आएगा। चलते रहो, चलने दो बस। चेक ओके।